This is ZIQIAN USB camera with 180 resolution, and it's a stereo mic. And as you can see, it has a very wider angle. And so, if you guys find this review helpful, please mark it helpful. Hey guys, this is Logitech tester camera. Hi guys, this is comparison of Lenovo Yoga camera, laptop camera, versus ZIQIAN Webcam USB camera.
I'm showing you the difference in quality between the default iMac camera, FaceTime HD camera, versus the 1080p camera. So right now I'm under the FaceTime HD camera. As you can see, I'm kind of dark. Same lighting with the room. Nothing changed. I'm just changing it to the USB camera, 1080p. Quality is much brighter, as you can see.